shit happens. That's what the storm caused. This is crazy. Let me show you from the other side. Wow. I mean, lucky that these are not flooded. There will be water in the basement there, because that's the air intake. It definitely is in there. I don't know how many tons of water, but it's in there. But this is crazy. Let me show you where it comes from, because this is where it goes actually. Let's see where from. This is absolutely insane. All the water from this field. That's what is actually happening. I mean, this kind of full concrete fence is helping a little bit, guiding the water a bit aside, but there it goes under the door, the gate actually, and here, because I don't have any like concrete there, it goes just specifically underneath the metal sheets, and that's it. That's all, everything inside. It's absolutely crazy. I don't know what to do. Well, obviously there is nothing you can do, just wait until this goes down. It was just a storm, 40 minutes. I have never seen this before. Never ever. This is crazy.